I'm coming. We are going to do all of these things now. And I come make I just quickly start. Yes, we were asking a question now. You said you have an account here. If the same account, you will be able to use it on your smartphone, something related like that. Now, the truth is that if you place a trade here now, You know, say you go dey see am from your phone now.
Okay.
So you can decide to use your phone and monitor it, and later close it or anything that you want to do with your phone. You understand?
Do I need to open this one here?
If we are doing that, if you dey trade now, you no need to open it. This is the account is
I'm
here.
trading with this platform on my laptop.
Yes.
It's still the same thing.
Yes, na the same.
Reading here.
Yes, we'll be seeing it and we'll be now. You know, say we never still log in another one account. Oh.
Yes.
Then on this particular MT5, this is the MT5 where your 1,000 cents day. Now with this particular one of HF market, now your excess account of 1,000 cents day.
Yeah.
Then this other meta quote MT5, let's put your market for you there. So like I said, you will do as if you want to open an account. Then you now type my market for you be their server name. You get their server name. Market for you is not their server name. There is their server name. Go to the account. Yes. Okay.
Correct.
Okay, underscore.
No, it's not in. Sit down.
Okay, check out. No. This one. I'm this. You know what to do from here now?
2078. To put the login on my
2078
4261.
4261. So the password you will fix it from. I don't know whether you remember the password. I don't know whether you remember that password for that account. Now they give you the password of that account now. You will see it from your email. Or now your email you will foresee the password of this particular account. The email that you used.
But I cannot change the password.
You can change it now. But I don't know if you've changed it now.
I don't know whether
You can change it, but I don't know whether you don't change them. Sorry,
And this chart is like this now. Where do I see my mom? The balance of my mom, yes. It has opened the okay, so right? This broker it has opened.
Yes.
Most of the year, right? It's not a really check. But when you yes, it goes up.
So that it's like we know, yeah, so now we know, say, it's,
I'm so sorry. This thing, I prefer when it work. If we want to trade with us online, they won't be doing it. So, Crane, on that Telegram, check if the noise is still that much.
on Telegram or
On Telegram. All right, man. Let's start from. I'm live on Telegram actually.
You are trying to run into market.
You know, never enter.
I trained the person.
But you've logged it on this particular app. Yeah. Then when the thing don't enter, you don't change the color of that chart.
I'm training it. I didn't run my.
All right, on Telegram, they're supposed to hear me now. So I'm only curious about the noise. Then, guys, if you are joining us from YouTube, please help click on the like button, share the live, and the people on TikTok, please double tap on your screen. Let's work together.
This market for you say.
You're supposed to show now something you won't do. I'm coming now. So, Vanilla Babe on Telegram, can you hear me? Please, if you can hear me, just unmute yourself and confirm. And also, if you can see my screen. The market for you account will not enter. You know enter. If you enter, you will show something here called trade. Yes, so we have to try. And the server be this, Abi?
Yes.
Yeah, so check your password there. You put your password. Telegram can't hear me. Yes, because the microphone is here now. Check. Still very low. Is it that low? But is there noise in the background? Very, very low. I don't understand. Now, bring your phone. Let me see. So it's very low. I've been on your phone. Mama, don't assume anything at all. If you are having any difficulties, just I mod the microphone now. I'll put another one. No, I'm coming. Mute yourself, bro. Mute that thing. The only evening available. That's it. Let me see the account from your. They sent you an account details. This particular account, so either or your email or maybe for sale.
Yes, sir.
Okay, not more here.
No, the account with this.
Yes.
Everybody send us email WhatsApp.
And the password, the problem is go to the email when the first you just search for that thing you see. You don't need to really go through like that. If you know, see, I'm just type the name of the people where they send the message. Igando, or you just say market for you, so you see all of their messages.
Incoming mail.
See the thing that I'm talking about, trade. So once you click on the trade now, you'll see a balance there. Then you can now scroll down to properties. Come here for your colors. Color white. Save the template too. You know, this is another MT5. So that is why we are doing it twice now. So that after now, we don't need to be doing all of those stuff. So your account is here now. Then you have another account here.
So when I want to go to any of them,
Yes, so when you want to go to any of them, you already know the one where they each other.
so this one is this one is this.
You understand?
Yeah.
So for the Xness and this one, for the other one and this one. So if you want to log in another account now for this particular laptop, you can still download. We have up to 1,000 different MT5 where you fit download online. So you fit get an name so that it go there easier. Not that you cannot add like me. See, I have up to even in some accounts. There's my working laptop at home. One particular MT5 I have up to 15 account logged on it. Like this particular one, don't be say account no dey inside though. If you click am here now, you'll see all those one are different accounts. If I click am now, I go just enter. But it dey always dey easy for me to manage when I open different windows of MT5 for here. I will just
Just click on it.
yes. So now, what are we going to do today? Like I said, before we place any trade, which was what we did yesterday, we don't assume that we know what the market will do. And today, being your second day here, I need you to understand something that really needed to seek in is that the fact that we sold yesterday and we made profit from a sell trade doesn't mean that we are going to sell today. Now, that doesn't mean that if there is any sell opportunity, say we no go fit sell, we go fit sell, because the only thing where they happen for the market now buying and selling. So it's either we are going to be buying today or we are going to be selling. But there is something that demanded of you as a day trader to always do every single day as a business-oriented forex trader. And that is what we did yesterday. But let me quickly do a recap of what we did yesterday. Early in the morning yesterday, we did what is called technical top-down analysis. And it is very, very important that we redo it again today. We cannot be working with what we analyzed yesterday. We are day traders. And also, you cannot successfully make the most of today with only technical analysis. So after your technical top-down analysis every day, we now also need to also learn the fundamentals analysis. You see, the fundamental analysis now another thing where we say many people don't really know how powerful this particular one is. Because it is the fundamental information that controls the technical chart that we are seeing on our board. So, you now wake up in front of your laptop and you are ready to trade today. And I'm not telling you that you must make sure you always do your fundamental analysis and also your technical analysis. How do you go about that and how do you even start? The first thing is not just to come to the chart. Firstly, today is Wednesday. Let's see if there is any major impact news that may likely take price out of structure. Whenever maybe so that you will catch us unaware. So you go to my FS book. Go to my FS book. You are going to open my FS book window on one place, then you open another place, Forex Factory. This is when I do so. Now I go still want to make you the do it from your own laptop. That is the reason why the laptop. How will you do it? So this laptop here, I want you to be familiarized yourself with using this laptop to trade. So don't only leave it here. No, you've already opened your browser. You understand? So for sake of making delete some of those ones first. Then you have your trading view here. Do you know how to use trading view?
Yes. But the one we have is not my husband.
Even if it's your husband own or your own, but
Okay, nice.
he never even log himself. So you know go use them effectively. But we get to this because now, why this review you must start doing it beginning from now is all of those analysis tools that you ever see me use, both here and online. Now for trading view they know they your Forex MT5. You will not see them here. Understand? So this is trading view. Then the website that I said we should open now is this trading view. Let project have actually doing because this is what we are trading. So the website that we are going to be using for our fundamentals is number one, Forex Factory. Forex Factory. You're already familiar with those things. You sabi use them?
My phone. I want to use it.
Okay. Now Forex Factory open first. Then my FS book, that one that we were using yesterday. My FS book.
Is it downloaded?
It's not downloaded now. I'm on your browser and I'm browser for the user.
Okay,
You don't need to download it. Just the user. So you don't open your fundamental chart now. What are we going to be looking at these particular pages where we don't open online? What will be the fundamental analysis? First, fundamental analysis will be something where really they big based on the way they take sound fundamentals. No, one thing it may be say in every economy, in every currency where you dey trade, that currency where we dey trade. So what did they determine the strength of the currency or the weakness of the currency is as a result of the economy of that particular currency. For instance, in Nigeria today, wetin make dollar call over high partner and based on our economy and based on the things where they happen for this economy. So today in United States, because we are trading XAUSD, we always need to be looking out for any news whether they release for US, because we are trading gold in USD with USD. So now, if you dey look for any news where go they affect the gold market, because you are not a beginner, I already know that you know how news do react. News fit happen now in the next few minutes, make they see gold for up here. So that news now, something when we say it happen once in a while. But you as a day trader and someone who wants to become a full-time professional trader, now something where you need to always be updated about any news where the time where the news dey, so that if you dey trade, you will know how you go to manage your account yourself and the money that you are trading also. Now we are going to be using those two major websites that is very, very popular worldwide. So the first one here is Forex Factory. Forex Factory always enables me to analyze my news, to quickly check the prediction of the market makers, of those financial institutions, what their analysis is about a particular business. So today being Wednesday, what we want first check, we say we want check whether it gets what kind of news where go fit carry market out of structure, so that the news will catch us on our way below our account. So you will see that there are some news, but we don't have any major impact news that is capable of taking price out of structures until tomorrow. The only major impact news that we have is going to happen on, it already happened, which it never happened, which is JPY, Japanese yen. So based on saying we dey trade gold and US dollar, we only look out for USD news. And the one that we are going to be updating ourselves with is tomorrow news that will happen by 3 p.m. It's called the service PMI and the Treasury speaks. That will happen by 3 o'clock Nigeria time. Now, iPad news. So if you carry market out of structures and inside structures also. Then also, yeah.
So when are you seeing this as from the
Forex factory.
from Forex factory?
So once you open your Forex factory, should you go to see them like this from the chart. And like this, it be abi? My FS book. Okay.
Let me go to the Forex.
So, so if you're on Forex factory, once you stood and you will see the news, the other ones. Look at the date, Wednesday, June of 3rd. Then the currency. So US no really get news today. The only news when the iPad news are this JPY, Japanese yen. But for tomorrow, Thursday, scroll down the more. For tomorrow or Thursday. Wait a news deal.
Right.
Yes. This is today news. 9 a.m. Leave video upload. The news will go carry net and remain the same. Then another news where they did. No news where we they anticipate it not be happening again, except by this is it your time now they cause this thing? I don't understand it. This news never happened. This non-farm employment change today. This news never happened. But for here, they show you 7:15 a.m. and it's not 7:50 a.m. So we don't pass 7:15 a.m.
Yeah, is it not their own time? Is it not US time?
No, it's supposed according to the settings, it's supposed to be according to your own local time zone.
Okay.
So let's confirm that. I will still check out from my FS book now. Make I check something. Okay, that particular news. So now PMI. Which kind of news it be? Sorry, let me check the name of the news. That one will be read. Okay, service PMI. That service PMI will be open in the next 3 hours. 3 hours, 4 minutes from now. 3 hours, 4 minutes from now is around 1 something now. Because this is around 3 o'clock, Now your time settings now make that thing will be like that. See my own Forex factory. That particular news now be this one. Service PMI 3 p.m. Yes, normal time. You understand? 3 p.m. Nigeria time, and it's supposed to be 3 p.m. Because now 1 p.m. Nigeria time, now their bank still be open, which happens to be around 8 a.m. in the morning. So I don't know, we'll later look at that stuff to make sure so we set up. So we get news, and it's news na service PMI, and we also have another one by 1:50 today called the non-farm employment change. Another very strong high impact news. So we are going to be looking at for those news by 1:30 and also by 3 p.m. They make we not forget, no matter what we do. Then still on my FS book, I'm gonna go to my FS book and open it. We already open now, just to scroll there. So once you open now on your front page like this, you will see the trading hours where we get. It is very, very important that you always come here to confirm, to cross-check. It should be like that. It must be like that. Now the front page, you see what they show you. Now you scroll down, you see the 4 trading sections that we have, which is New York section, London section, Tokyo section, and Sydney section. So the market that is open now is what?
London.
9 days. So 9 days, and it will close in the next 5 hours, 4 minutes. Then the one that will open next is this, which is the New York market. It will open by 1 p.m. Nigeria time, and it will open 1 hour, 4 minutes from now. So we are going to rush all of our technical analysis now so that we will trade this section. Now, what we just do so we say, when you learn to do this particular stuff that we do now, I'm trying to make you not to always trade with haste. No, always make sure you come here and be sure of the market that is open, because sometimes this market no go open and you no go know say no open. Yes, sometimes they get back holiday, but the chart will see the move. But that time, so the market will call the move sideways. You will be expecting a breakout, and that breakout no go open. Why? Because there was back holiday in the United States. We happen around something last week or last 2 weeks. So now you also need to understand as a day trader that you need to always come here to come and verify yourself which market they open, and according to the pair when I want trade, which section is the best to trade that pair. So I told you yesterday the best section to trade gold is New York market. Why? Because the New York market is set aside to be the distribution time of that particular chart, which is for gold. Now around 1 p.m. market they do distribution, just like he did yesterday. So now another thing we go can do. Remember, saying that gold now be the chart when we open. You go click on same on this place. Look at your up like this. You go see sentiment. Click on the sentiment. Have you seen it?
Yeah.
Once you click on that, if you say they pop up any art, just continue, just click on continue to my F and just come out the art. Then you scroll down, look for the pair that we are trading. So the pair that we are trading is XAUUSD. XAUUSD. Crane, is there any spare mouse for there? Any spare wireless mouse? No, later now, just come on. This one a normal app. Just come on. If they do anything, they check what now they do. What I do now, I go one minute to do for you. Now you go fit it to know where. This one I have. So when I ask you to click on sentiment, to click on that, then it will bring out the sentiment page now. Then you scroll down. From this sentiment, what are we now looking at? What are we looking for? Okay, we are looking for gold. Gold. The symbol of that gold is XAUUSD. So you scroll down until you look for gold. So if you observe, person here now. So now if you observe, once you see your gold, you don't see it from your own side. Have you seen it? Then you put your cursor on top of the gold and let's see the information that we have there. What's the information?
That's okay.
You are not clicking. I just said, just put your. If you know, go feel know waiting at the top. If you know, they look up for this side. Now, waiting at they do here. Now, always the tick so. For you to understand, now this is good. Just carry your, no click anything. Just carry your cursor. Make sure say the arrow is there on top of the gold. This thing. Then they see information here. Now, it pop out some information. So the information is what you need. Is what I want to talk about. Understand? So once you put your cursor there, you will see the information, which is, you will see the symbol first, which is gold. Then you will see action. Remember, the only thing that happens in the forex market is buying and selling. So it's either we have more buyers or we have more sellers. Now, you can see that short means sellers, long means buyers. So as at now, as at today, now we have 39% of sellers and 61% of buyers. As at now, so we have 61% of buyers. Now, all of this information is not to do guesswork. We are all gathering those fundamental information so that by the time you come to your chart, to the technical chart, anything where they analyze, once you see them say if they align with what you don't go confirm from that fundamentals, you will get confidence to do whatever thing you want to do. So it's not as if it's not a waste of time, and it's not something where we say you need to do them almost every day. So now, bringing you back to the chart now, what you want to do, this was yesterday analysis. We thank God for yesterday. For today, let's analyze this chart to see if we are going to be buying now. That is during the London session, the next 1 hour, or New York session, or if you are going to be selling. Then I will delete everything on my screen. Remember, I said yesterday, don't ever start your analysis from the lower time frame. It is very, very bad. Always start your daily analysis from the daily time frame. Why? Because there is market structure playing out in every time frame. So when you open your daily chart, you want to do top-down analysis so that you don't go trade with absorption. Like I said, the fact that we sold yesterday and make money doesn't mean that today, as we don't come off is like this during the New York session, say we now sell, we must sell. No, we must not sell. We need to follow what the market has prepared that it will do and follow it and do it. So now on a daily time frame, what is the market doing? Based on so we don't already do this particular analysis yesterday very, very well. Waiting, I will just tell you now. I will mark the major support, the current major support on the daily time frame, and I will also mark this current resistance on this daily time frame. Remember, what to give us that sell yesterday was that on Monday candle, which happened to be this red candle, closed as what? As bearish engulfing. Mama, are they confuse you? So based on say yesterday, what to give us the sell opportunity was that we observed that on Monday the market sell well, and it come out close with the formation called bearish engulfing. So by the time we reach office yesterday, the market dey already buy, and we know say that buy now pull back, which we know that the market will always pull back to that same engulfing before the continuation. Then the moment the market buy reach here, we saw a double top on 30 minutes time frame. Now we'll be waiting to call BTC the right sell. But today, on the daily time frame, this was how yesterday candle closed, and today candle now don't close come this particular support zone, and they are currently rejecting it. What are we going to do? Are we anticipating the daily time frame today to buy, or we are anticipating it to sell? Now let me give you my bias on daily time frame as a price action trader. You see, the market now downtrend day for daily. Now it's still day. So day before yesterday, which was Monday, now the market give us a continuation pattern, which happens to be bearish engulfing. So today will be Wednesday. Between today and tomorrow, I'm anticipating this market to close below here with a candlestick, targeting the next major support zone right here. Yes, according to market structure, waiting that they anticipate make gold do on daily time frame. Now, based on saying that downtrend is still there, we will see them here. So it's for gold to now break this particular support. You know, this one when you do this one, it no be break. Oh, this is called penetration because they are still rejecting it. Breaking means make it close below with a red candle. Make today candle close around 12 around 12. Make we see say it close below. Say then another daily candle come open. So if my bias on gold on the daily time frame today is the continuation of the sale, how sure am I? And what will be the validation that me I suppose enter sell? I go bring them down to the 4 hours time frame. Mama, that when I explain for daily now, you understand that it didn't look too somehow confusing, right?
That's not what you say. Those says we are estimating is possible.
Okay.
But I understand everything is.
Okay. So now we are now bringing it to the 4 hours time frame. What will they look for on 4 hours time frame? Crane. This light, they reflect for this thing. I don't know whether if you just kukuma off them, please, so that they feel they see those candlesticks well. Okay. No, off and again, guys. Off and Kadamata. Yes. This is something they shake. Oh, on and again. Those things will go blow those things. Just from up off those things, please. On that one, if you don't go feel off a bit of surface today, there, if you go feel twist that go that one. Yeah, off this on that one. And the one where do my head there, off arm. Yes, calm down. I don't understand what they are playing to do. Better now. Okay. So remember, say according to what we just analyzed now, we said on the daily time frame, we are still expecting this today candle to close as a sell candle, and if possible, for the market to come and close below this particular support zone. Technically, make it close below here. Then we if we can look for buy, which is pull back before it continue another sell again. But now, for us to be sure and for us to now look for our sell opportunity, based on say we don't already conclude say today candle support. So that means all I will be looking out for mostly for today is sell. Understand? So we need to check what is happening on the 4 hours time frame. When we come to this 4 hours time frame, we don't just they come here and make we go do one or two things. No, we are coming here to look according to market structure. What did the market they do? And the market get what they do now, which really very, very clear to me. See, all yesterday's sell, I the others ones. So if you check yesterday's sales, we have an engulfing candle right here. Now, the market break this particular structure right here. So I want to sell gold, but I want gold like that when we come to do towards the ending of yesterday. Say market must always do pullback. So based on say these 4 hours, just sell like this, no me say now so it will just take continue. But the next place that we are anticipating the 4 hours time frame to come now, this major support zone. But before this market comes to this major support zone, I'm currently anticipating a pullback to this place. Then from here, gather momentum and come down to this major support. Something like this is what I mean. The market should buy to this place, gather momentum from here, pick a sell, and come down to this particular place right here. So I have these zones well marked out on 4 hours time. Now, for the pullback that I am currently anticipating the 4 hours time frame to do, you know, saying I buy now it be so. The pullback that I am anticipating this gold make it pull back to here before I continue the sell on 4 hours. Now buy move it be. So this particular between here is going to be a long distance on lower time frame, like 15 minutes or 30 minutes. But before we get there, let's first of all also check what the 1 hour time frame is doing. Mama, I'm not analyzing, I'm trying to teach you something. Yes, this is what we do every day, then repeatedly before you get your opportunity either for a buy or for a sell. So now, on 1 hour time frame, this particular place where we marked for that 4 hours, remember this line was marked on the 4 hours zone that we are currently anticipating price to pull back to the same zone before the continuation of the sell. This place now 4 hours before market. So if you open your 1 hour so that we go check what it looks like, you will see say the 1 hour time frame That means this particular resistance zone, 9B. Now that means we are currently anticipating gold to do what is called major pullback on 1 hour. Major is, here is the minor structure that was broken to form here, while here is the major. So what we are anticipating now is this 1 hour time frame, make it buy or to reach here, then you will finally continue the sell. And that should be during the New York market, when the New York market door open. So during that New York market, so all of those moves when we anticipate now, and at that time, now we take put time, say make it take one. So what we go come do next? For me to know if I should join the sell trade now, or if I should join a short-term buy to this place to step up my account, I will still take it a little bit lower to 30 minutes time frame. Nevertheless, but before that, sorry, on this 1 hour time frame, make sure so you don't see clear trade. Though. This is not a clear trade, should be? Yes, this is now a clear trade. Now, on this particular clear bearish trend, in a down trade, in a bearish trend, the only thing that we should be looking out for is sell opportunity, because it shows that sellers are in charge. Or to the market reverse to the opposite direction, we should not be looking for buy opportunity. The only and the best thing that we can be looking out for is to how to join the sell move. But we know also that the market not just they run, they go down. After every major sell, market will always do pullback. So for us to join the sell move of this particular downtrend that the market is already printing on 1 hour time frame, we need to have a major pullback. Then we continue. Yeah, you see this particular place where we marked as our place where we want to execute better sales. So that place also marked as a place that will violate all of our sell analysis, both on the daily, the 4 hours, and the 1 hour. Yes, because on the 1 hour time frame, there is a major structure. We are not expecting price to buy and call break above here. Anything will make price break above this resistance right here, it has violated anything where we see when make us one sell before. That means if it be say it give you losses, just accept them, then reanalyze and don't trade with emotion, don't revenge, because the market will continue the buy. Because the mistake that I want to settle now, as we continue this class, the mistake where you feel make, and many of us don't make up the same, based on say with the analyze sell, the market come there. We put our stop loss here. Let's say for instance, when the market don't finally reach, here, we can go take the sell from here. Then we can put our stop loss above here like this. Now, based on our analysis, the market come there, it knock our stop loss. Based on say we now say we want to say, you will constantly load another sell from here. It is very bad. You don't do that. The only thing where we need to understand is say it's either this market they buy or it is sell. So if you did any trade that give you loss, that trade is also, or that loss is supposed to also give you confirmation of the direction where the market they go on time, and you are supposed to join that particular direction to recover your money back, not to trade against. And do you know that why I said the forex business is more psychological is this? Something where you take your money from you today, that if it consistently take money from you for 2-3 years, and you go to repeat that same thing, and you know say the same thing how you do last week where blow your account, but you go still repeat them and you go still blow the account today. We are not mad. The thing is that sometimes now the way that they program the market to us as retail traders, now be that we always want to trade what we are feeling. And we always want the market to align itself to our own mistake. For instance, you made a trade that gone wrong. Instead of you to accept the wrong and follow what the market is doing, you will want to keep making that wrong with the mindset of, especially Christians, we start praying that the market should reverse with their direction. Yes, many of us will go call the pray, say, God, you know, say I'm fasting, this Wednesday I'm fasting, and I don't want to make any loss so that I will be able to carry that project that I want to do, and the account will still blow. And many people now will think God exists, but you did the wrong thing. And you cannot cause God to compromise on your behalf. So for me, I would say those are the mistakes that we quickly need to learn now. So no matter what we are anticipating, now, please, man, take note of this. You are planning on becoming a full-time professional and not professional and profitable day trader. If that is the goal, you need to, as from now, make sure say you are not always going to be 100% right. It will never happen. The only thing that will happen is that God will be helping you in a way that you will be having massive more wins than your losses. But what is differentiating losers in the forex market and people that are consistent in profit is that little understanding. be able to accept whenever you are wrong that you were wrong. Just nobody go, just pick it and follow what the market makers are doing just to get your money back. Very simple. So now my analysis is for 1 hour time frame to buy to this same point right here. Then from there we can look for a sell opportunity for the continuation of the sell, because the daily time frame is supposed to close below that daily support today according to our technical analysis. So let me quickly bring up another trading view chart on another window. So guys, if you are watching us from YouTube right now, please click on the like button, that particular top sort button, click on it and help me share this live so we can work together. Now, if you have any question, you can always drop it in the comment section. I will respond because I'm reading your comments now. So now, another thing that it should be our take home is that, Mama, we do not love to sell gold. Don't love to always sell gold. And don't love to always buy gold. Love to always trade the opportunity that the market is giving to you according to your strategy. So now, this particular pullback that is happening now, let me now tell you why this gold is shifting down. And many traders are going to take sell. I'm not going to lie for you. Many people will take sell now, and they are going to lose the trade. Let me tell you why. This market respects the higher time frame over the lower time frame. According to daily time frame, the market supposed to break below one support zone. But you know, say no go just go straight. It will go down, it will go up again, it will come down, it will go down. Then at the end of the day, make later go break out. And on 4 hours time frame, here in a minor structure where we just experiment the market pull back to before the continuation. And the market we come here. But based on say everybody they see sell, everybody want enter sell. Everybody they see say okay, market just break here, it don't come here. So now they go count here as pullback. So many beginner traders will take a sell trade here. And the market will do small sell to this place and we continue to buy to here. We now blow the person's account. So why am I anticipating that the market needs to do sell to this place? It is because of this information where the market start to do the pullback. What is that information? If you are a day trader, I believe your eyes go down, they open very, very well to an engulfing candle. And you can see a clear engulfing right here. And I keep saying this, market no dey run go anywhere. Whenever you see an engulfing like this, 90% of the time, the market will do at least half of it. It will come down to there, then continue to where it's supposed to go normally. Now, you see all those little moves, not many beginner traders stay they tag gold as wicked pair. They go say it today manipulative. No be manipulation. Now you don't really understand how gold to the move or how gold to the react. Gold will always do something like it wants to start selling now. It will make you enter sell. And on a normal note, you've analyzed for this market to pull back to this place. But it will make you feel like, oh, you want to run, call they go down, and fall, so that I don't go miss fast from the sell. You will not enter the sell trade. The market will call still later do the buy, which is the pullback to this place, before it will call later again, towards the end of the day, do the sell. So it will just destabilize the trader. The trader will just be feeling to mad whether anytime I buy, the market will sell, and if I sell, the market will buy. And something like that. Now I just try to explain to you. So for us, what we need to do is for us to just relax, understand what is happening, understand what the market is doing. No rush, no need to rush anything. Now, do you know that if this market should confirm what we are speaking now, give us the opportunity to enter, there are people that are currently drowning in losses. I'm telling you, based on they are following all of those impulsive movement that gold is making. Meanwhile, you can just relax. Wait for the perfect time. By 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m. if possible, you will see a very good opportunity. Use a very good loss size, 20 pips, you are out of the market and you have won for that day and come back the next day. That is how I want us to take it, and I pray that God will help us. Then we have somebody here speaking from YouTube. He said, drawing your trend line like you skip the week and it's bad. Yeah, that is because the person is not a trader. When you hear, the reason why I read that comment loud is that is how many beginners do that thing. You see, this is called a pin bar. You can also call it wick, W-I-C-K. You can also call it rejection. Now, many people only know it and they don't know the meaning. I cannot be marking my wink. When, now you tell me, say, what if you tell the trade before, now your higher eyes and your other, they call those weeks, so those higher highs and lower lows. We now into the picture say where the market don't fair buy reach before they reject them. But as a price action trader, if you fail to understand the real meaning or the real cause of this thing, you will not think that I should be marking my week. We don't mark weeks. We know they mark week. Because the week, now rejection it be. The strength of every candlestick is where the body starts from. The body. The body of a candlestick now be the power of the people. So where the body of this particular grey candle starts from, now be the power of the buyers. Where the body of this particular sell candle now be the power of the seller. So the week means say the market actually penetrated this zone, and you observe that they rejected it back inside the trend line. So if you are marking your trend, it is bad and wrong to be using your wings to do your marking. No, if you are marking any structure at all, now body, where the body, the head down place, now there that they mark, very, very important. Don't make that mistake. The reason is that the body is the strength and the wing only means rejection. So anytime you see price penetrating towards a particular zone and you now see it rejected, you need to understand, say, they reject them and you go close inside that same zone. That is because that week, so it's not really valid. Now weakness it be. The market buy reach there, but the opposite people pushing money to reject the price back inside a particular direction. So you need to always take note of that and don't just fall into marking those weeks. They don't really count. Though they have information, vital information that we use to do our own analysis. Some of the vital informations are, yesterday we used something to make one money for you, which was it a inverted hammer? Yes, it was one inverted hammer that I saw, and I said this particular inverted hammer, I am so sure. No, it was hammer candle where we were not expecting a pullback, and I said with this particular hammer candle, do you know that pullback when we anticipate the market no do am? It do am reach the exact that place where we be say the market supposed to do. It do am reach there go before we close. Now those were the information. Those candlesticks carries vital information, but the pin bar, the wings doesn't have any information. The only thing where the wings means we say it don't fair reach that place. So based on say the other people come pushing money and they rejected the price. So from where the body of the candle stand, now there will be the loop. Now that is why if you see a candlestick like this, let me look for what candlestick. I think I've seen it this morning. This particular Greek candle we're doing here, so or this one. This kind of candle, we call it momentum candle. Why? The market will be buy though, but let's use this one where they down. The market will be sell, but all of a sudden, as this sell candle just closed, the other one open, and as it just open now, buy just started to buy. And as so it take back till the market close. You understand? So you don't get pin bar for the down. So they call a momentum candle. But if you check every other candle, then they carry pin bar for both up and down. Why? If new candle open, even if say go first sell, if you first go as say you won't buy before you do the sell. So now they always cross all of those pin bars. So we need to understand all of those information. Now don't forget this thing that we marked on a 1 hour time frame. We marked that in a 1 hour time frame because we said we have an engulfing here. We are targeting gold to buy to this place before the continuation of the sale. And all of them are during the New York session by 1 p.m. and upward. Now, I am currently anticipating this market to set down at least 50% of this, then gather momentum here to do this buy. Then later, you come from here and continue to do the sell. Now, if this market go expect this thing when I analyze for 1 hour time frame, so now lower time frame, now go tell me, or now go show us, say, if the market go set down to here. How? I go to show us. Because on 1 hour time frame, the only thing where you see there now say the market, they try break out from the trend, but they are currently rejecting it. Can you see the rejection payback? So the rejection, this market don't buy rich now. Like, Mama, you say, so this rejection, so you don't really count. The only thing when I go try and use or take understand what they happen, now to go down to lower time frame, go look for clear reversal pattern. Because if I am anticipating one hour time frame to set to this place before the continuation of the buy, lower time frame will give you reversal pattern. So I don't already seen one before. If you open your 15 minutes now, you will see say 15 minutes time frame has given us what is called a double top. This is a double top. Mama, do you know this as double top?
I thought that is the Greek they always.
No.
I don't know that.
I just said something now. The same thing now. I just repeat now. So say the body of the candle is where the strength come from. You understand? All those other wings, so now rejection they be. You understand? So the body of the what we take make that money yesterday now double top. Now we take do all of the sell where we say yesterday now. If in case you don't forget, see I'm here. Get was it on 30 minutes? Yes. So it was a clear double top that we saw on 30 minutes. It was a missed double top. Well, yes, now there now. Around here. Now we foresee double top and we use and run all of the sell. Now reversal pattern. So the week, just know the week as rejection. But irrespective of even as I say, you know the week as rejection. There's a way we analyze the week. Oh, the way I analyze the week now just they show you so. You are still seeing a pin bar here now. We have a rejection here. We have a rejection here. Now, if you want to know what is currently causing this particular rejection now, if you open like 1 minute now, you will see better candles there. And the candles, if they show you inverted hammer or if they show you bearish engulfing candle. So beside every week, every rejection pin bar, there is a clear candlestick pattern on a lower time frame that will tell you the information that caused that particular rejection week. So now, what are we looking at for now? So they sit down for here now. We are going to make money, but I want you to understand something. On our 1 hour time frame, like this, we just already know, say, the market is trending down and we should look for more sell opportunity today. But before then, we are currently looking at gold doing a major pullback to this resistance right here. Then from here, we can take a sell trade from here. We are going to be taking a good sell trade from here. That is around 4,480 something. Now, if as a scalper, I want to take advantage of a buy to this place, I will not execute a buy here because this is a resistance zone. Yes, that the truth be that. I already know because of this particular thing that they consider the buy is an engulfing, that market will still need to do 50% retracement of this particular Greek candle, gather momentum there, pick a buy from here, carry a come here before I continue the sell later today. So I will not delete this analysis like this. I want this one to remain like this because we are always going to be referring to what to be the analysis. I want gold to come down to this place, pick some buyers here, come to this place, then towards that, maybe 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, gather momentum and continue that. Then at the end of the day, make it go break below this support. Now we go. So for our trade, for our first trade this morning, I will open another this thing with another broker. Sorry. On this 1 hour, like I said, I'm expecting this market to come here, then make it do the buy, come to this resistance.
When we are talking of resistance and support, it's not the most that it will be for.
I don't understand what you mean by
Like
that.
that resistance there now. So like the first
I want to be sure of where specifically where for the talk from.
that first control line now.
Yeah.
And you know that all of them they are not
Equal.
100%. So it must not be like that. No, that market is already 30%.
Now let me quickly teach you what a resistor means. A resistance and support means. Now, let's start it from here. You see, when this market started to buy on this 1 hour time frame, this 1 hour it buy and it close as a buy body. Another candle open. Another candle open is still close as a buy. Another candle open is still close as a buy. Another candle open is still close as a buy. But the next candle wake up close, it no close as a buy, it can't close as a sell. Here, so we call our structure and our resistance don't be so. because they resisted the price from breaking yes, from going further. You understand? Then now when it comes to support, then in this particular chart that you are seeing here now, the same thing that I explained here, the market buy, you see a buy candle, the next one open, another buy candle, the next one open, close with the buy. Here was also a structure. Now, the next one open again, it finally break above here to form here. But ever since the market never break above here. So there na very strong resistance. It don't really mean say it go dey the same place. Just know say the buy where the market be the buy they come. It don't bypass one place, it never bypass there. So there na resistance it be. If na sell the market is sell, you get where the as this market is sell now, this morning now the market don't sell reach here, but you observe say never sell pass it. So here with the color support, the candles doesn't need to be very, very equal like that. Not all the time it dey equal, no need to dey equal. So there na support, and with the column support, and with the also the color structure, because why would the color structure be say you work they do your analysis as a day trader, it is your responsibility to understand the information behind every structure. Because all those structures now will be analyzed. Oh. Now, a quick recap of on what market structure is. Watch. This was a clear double top. This was a clear double top right here and here. Then the market call reverse to down. Now you will see say when he sell reach here. No, if he sell pass immediately, he first do small buy. He continue the sell, he break here, he come here, he do another pullback. You observe this pin bar self, he will come to this region. He do that pullback, then he continue, he finally break here, he come here, he do another pullback, he finally continue the sell, he break here to form here. Look at this green, he usually do the pullback, then he continue the sell, he break here to come here. So the market they do pullback. Now just that now we are not anticipating the market to just pull back here and come down. No, we are expecting it to come to this resistance zone, because this particular major pullback that we are anticipating the market to do now is based on our 4 hours analysis. Yes, in case you have forgotten, 4 hours, this is what it looks like. Have you seen it? This is what the 4 hours time frame looks like. The 4 hour time frame have an engulf here when it don't do all sell yesterday and earlier today. Now we are not expecting price to just pull back to where it break. Now here 4 hour candle break now. So if we are expecting the 4 hour candle to pull back here, then continue the sell, let be all of these better buy what we call the C for the 1 hour, so we'll be here. So now make a no fear that sell from here. Rather I go wait, make the market buy where we come here. Now when market reach here, what you go call be my confirmation. So okay, the market needs to fit buy up past there. When you reach here, I will now need to go down to lower time frame looking for a reversal pattern. Any information that I know that can take price from uptrend to downtrend. If I see, I will take it as confirmation. If I no see, I will know that there might be a continuation of the buy. Then once I see price now, say market don't close above here, this particular resistance, then from the pullback, I'll just continue to be follow and the buy without fear. So like I was saying, and I want us to look for opportunities so that we will be on a better side on our daily trade today. Now, the pullback that we are expecting is here, and it's actually far. If you calculate them, you will see say it will pass like more than 50 pips. You understand? So for us to take advantage of either of this particular buy from here to here, or make we wait patiently for main market come here before we take the sale, we go need to go to lower time frame. What do we do for lower time frame? We want to see the momentum where this buy today come. So let's see 15 minutes. Remember, now here we want main market buy rate before you do the sell. So now you see say the market is already trying to be breaking structures above. We form a pattern here, it break here the first time, to form here, it pull back again. Then it don't continue, it don't break here. So maybe mark that place when it break here. So it's doing a pullback now. But for me, I am still anticipating that market should set back to this place before the continuation of the buy. So you know what I will do now? I will mark this my support like this. I will settle down on this 15 minutes time frame because it go dey easy to close than 1 hour or 4 hours. So if I see price come here, I will take a buy trade if it fails to break below here. Yes, targeting here. Now, if the market come here, then you come see am say e break below here. Once you see pullback, continue the sell. Now, if the market come here, then we execute the buy. Now here with the target. If market come here and you eventually see reversal pattern, sell reversal pattern, with all your might, close your buy, start selling the market because that's at that time so it dey in line with the higher time frame, which is that 4 hours. Remember what I show us now for that 4 hours time frame? Say on 4 hours time frame, this is what the 4 hours looks like. This is the 4 hours chart. The market just sell well. So market just break a structure. So we are only expecting this market to buy to that structure. Now the same place be this, that same line be this on that 1 hour. So now here we want just buy and reach. So anytime when market reach here, you don't buy reach, maybe we be buy by chance or by anything, and we don't buy a reach here. If you can go see maybe triple top on 15 minutes or 30 minutes or inverted hammer or head and shoulder pattern, come more for the buy. That is a confirmation that this market don't do pullback finish. Say the 4 hours will continue sell. Oh, I hope you are not feeling that you never take trade, then you got the wrong feedback.
No, okay. Once I take it, once I take it, I'm okay.
Now the truth,
I know that it's not what I
because why I ask the question is this. I first talked about yesterday and I will repeat it again and I will keep saying it. No be you stay long for market pass, no be they make money pass. No put me anywhere. So now when you understand in detail what the market they do, something where go they give another person losses for a Koroduna, go they give me profit for you. If now we get them well, so maybe just relax. So going back to the 15 minutes time frame, like I said, I'm currently anticipating this market to sell down to this area so that I can take a buy trade from there. So let's watch and see what happens. The people on Telegram, now they hear me, and Vanilla Babe, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Ah, Alpha, I don't too. We bless God, we are good. Well done. How your work now? There was a time when we chat like that now. Was it last year, Abi? Not true. We'll try. Hmm? How? How? We know the verse for you. Now, small. Now, small, I tell rich. Now, we take the package and small. You see, I'm assuming type of the talk now. You see, many people would have executed the buy trade from here. But the sell, when we say make it sell come here before we take our buy somewhere, was not even on this 15 minutes time frame. Now, based on that engulfing when we see now, when it they do the buy when it happen for this 1 hour, it has to, the market just need to come down there before the continuation. So if you can't go rush, and you will also say the market is going to take you out, they do what it's supposed to.
Because if it's me, I would have entered
From there, something like that.
And when you now put your stop very close,
We go down, take
just
out.
go and tap it. And later you say that the thing is going over.
So what is now make we need to understand say now the secret there is that the higher time frame controls the lower time frame. So this market now is reacting to the higher time frame, violating information that is currently given on the lower time frame. This is 15 minutes time frame. On 15 minutes time frame, market doesn't cut from here. It's supposed on a normal person go say once it's 6 months sell, you take the buy. You understand? Many people will enter the buy, but based on say the market is currently reacting to 1 hour. Now, even on this 15 minutes time frame, you can see a structure here. But according to what I'm anticipating on 1 hour, now make the market sell even past this particular structure come here. Let be this yellow line where the before it the continuation of the buy. So on this 15 minutes now, it don't give us another engulfing. After every engulfing, it has to do that engulfing pull back. Then,
So that it's still coming down.
yes. Understand? If you rush out, the market will humble you well. Go have fun and you see the trade. You see the trade. And let me say you go down make $1 million now. Yeah. Profits. Which one they trade? For the pips. Okay. Funded I be challenge.
Yeah.
Okay. Me now self I passed a particular problem here. How many 1 week I passed the first one. Then the following week, it just blocked me. After making 18,000, how much? So
Any problem is that?
I will show you. Equity. Can't go from no go near to that one. No, those one.
I pass everything. Phase 1, phase 2, they don't give me.
No go there. Those one are thief now.
I don't send it, they send it, they don't give me anything.
What about this gold for header?
Even that gold fund themselves, sometimes they still get command. See,
The best problem now is 40 pips.
funding pips forwardness and FTMO. FTMO is the best in the whole world war.
FTMO, right? Okay.
FTMO is a name be the father where father their father for this industry. So you feel use that place now, that space where they do so. Yeah, just give extension for them. Was you know say was it earlier this year was here, but it's currently working in transfer now. He say he want make it the day or job. Eh? Eh?
Just like the marriage aspect, in Australia.
All this now where they serve Nigeria, you know say una where they serve Nigeria with
I work for private company.
okay. Because we go work for Nigeria for 40 years, at the end of the year, no level, una go dey beg them, make dem even give una pension. Today, one of my auntie, they celebrate 30 years in active work with Federal Road Safety Corps. Today, 30 years. See am now, you go think say whether na person wey don work for 30 years. Think say easy. Equity edge. I've had a lot of complaints about that equity edge. Life, I've had a lot of complaints about equity edge.
Once within 2 days. They for over 1 week I am looking for. The funny is, can you understand? I take over this example.
If
I take over the example, but they feel 100%.
you cannot take over FTMO, no matter what they do, that they follow FTMO for back. You may I just tell you one secret because I've done which year for the tip start. So they still need to pass the test of time. You understand?
Yes.
They still need to pass that test of time. You understand? No be say because juicy something no mean say no level. Yes. Those one no count for where I do. And they are paid that they pay. This was a profit that I bought. It was a $400,000 account. Then you observe that this particular phase one that I traded was under 1 week. Oh, I passed the phase one. You know, I was maintaining what is called discipline, and I passed it. Then the following week, I traded for like 3 days. Then I made 18,000. That's what you just stop. Yes, let me show you the trading history so that you know go think say maybe I violated one or two of their issues. No one when I violate. I'm not a baby trader. Before I will trade with you, I will go through your rules, your trading rules and regulation. Everything. So.
And there's nothing you can do about it.
They don't have what it takes to pay traders now. So once they don't have what it takes, they will just lock you out. They don't have what it takes. They don't get what it takes. If you profit will get money, if you see that you go low. So yeah, all those one they will fit pay.
Like this for
So the buy is just a pullback that we are expecting to happen on 4 hours to this particular structure. Because according to our normal, our analysis is for us to execute a sell trade, but not from where the market is currently, because the market needs to fulfill this particular market structure pullback on 4 hours time. And then from here, if we get the confirmation that okay, it is done during the pullback, then we can continue the sell from there. You understand that?
so how can I get that?
The
The last
I don't understand what you mean by the sell
yes, I'll take the zero.
for where the market is now.
Where you are, where you
Definitely, that is our plan now. That is the analysis. So we want to execute the sell trade from here, right here. But before then, we want a very nice pullback to that zone, right here. Now, once the market reach here on 4 hours, this is what this 4-hour structure looks like on 1 hour. Now, be this particular resistance right here. So once it comes here and we got the confirmation, we can place a trade, a sell trade, and have our stop loss below the pin bar right here and target that particular daily support zone.
When you look at this one, this fair value level is trying to go.
4 hours, Abi.
The buy,
Let me,
that
I'm
one,
calling.
right?
There's no fair value gap here.
On this side, that should be the last week.
All this one,
Yeah.
those one don't count again. Now.
You're not back again.
No,
Yeah.
those one don't count again. We talk about where the market is currently and the previous candles that we given now. Those ones are last week candles we talked to. Thursday last week. Good morning, welcome.
I go back before. Okay. Oh,
So have you seen the confirmation why I said the market must do that particular pullback on that 1 hour before the confirmation of that short-term buy? See, if you observe now, from this 15 minutes, the market gave us another bearish engulfing. But the bearish engulfing is to fulfill all righteousness of that particular pull of that engulfing what we get for 1 hour time frame. Let me delete this stuff. On 1 hour time frame, for the sake of analysis is this. You see the analysis of yesterday. If you go back to your daily time frame, after the market, you do that sell, as we analyzed yesterday finish, it closed like this. So before, as we come off it, you come and say market don't sell reach here. Now, market will not sell reach here. Meanwhile, here now support. You cannot just join the sell trade. But according to our technical analysis on this daily time frame, I'm anticipating gold to break below this particular daily support. Gold on daily, I'm anticipating it to break below here technically with a red candle. But in the next 1 minute, the New York market will open. So now the New York market is the time that we are expecting that particular distribution, massive distribution to happen. So what next? What will be the thing what we call the do now? We say, according to what the 4 hours time frame do, the 4 hours time frame as we were expecting market structure after this particular bearish engulfing, it break below a particular support, this particular support right here. So technically, we are supposed to see a pullback to this same zone that was broken. Then from there, we should continue the sell. We're expecting the daily now to go and break that daily support zone. Now, for us to be sure that these 4 hours will fit pull back reach here, we can step out down to 1 hour. Then on 1 hour time frame, you can see for yourself that we have a bullish engulfing right here. Now, the engulfing, if you come mark out like this for this particular support zone, and you observe, say, the market already, it don't give us some signal why it don't close inside this structure already. That means the buy is supposed to reach here, because now here be the 4 hours structure where they are maybe back before they sell. But now, many people may want to jump inside a buy trade because they want to do small buy reach here, which I said it is very, very bad. Instead, you need to understand that we have an engulfing here. And after such engulfing, this market will still sell at least 50% of it like this. Then come go do that perfect pullback on 4 hours, then continue the sell from there. So now we try watch how the market will take do the pullback. This is what we are now looking at. We're now anticipating whether it will do this particular pullback when I talk for this 1 hour. It's a golfing pullback. Then from here, come continue another buy again. Then from here, come continue another sell again. So let's just watch out for it. So what did I do? What did I can't do? You see that particular 4 hours. So if we go do that pullback, reach this place, is nothing less than 50 pips from where the market is now. So from here, I have some pending order. So that's why we talk now. No fixing our execution, now pending order. No fixing our live trade, now pending order. Though on a live account, so we have a pending order here. Anticipating once you pull back here on that 1 hour engulf, it should just trigger the buy, targeting just that region before we continue the massive sell trade that we want to sell.
I thought for what is it called?
No. I'm not executed it. Pending order. Yes, from where this market is now, you cannot do anything. You cannot do any buy, you cannot do anything. You have to wait for something to happen. Yes, you can join me and do it now. No, me, I know they come numbers like that, but see now, open your 1 hour. Can you do it on your laptop? It's very simple to do. You want to put your pending orders on laptop now. Not saying that the 1 hour with this, and exactly this line where you draw so now around that region. So just put your cursor there. Okay, this is trading view. Go to 1 hour. So we are expecting it to come down to this place.
remember that that one is $14. Okay.
Let me see. Why is it showing like this now? The funded accounts now, how much be?
Yes.
5K. Now 5K funded account. In the yard though. In the yard though. In the yard, you don't know?
Because of the dollar.
Yes, now in the yard well. And then yard pass for the whole. Even had pass if I dey trade my normal $10. $5,000 profit account. A lot of things applies to that. Apart from the daily drawdown limit. See, most of those firms now, they have 20% consistency rule that you also need to follow. And you are trading a $5,000 account at the minimum that you are not supposed to lose. I'm talking about after funded, not challenge. Because on a challenge account, sometimes they will tell you that you can risk up to 6% a day. But once they fund you, you go see say the major thing where they tell you to risk na 3%, like funded next. But you will not see, but if you go to their you're not supposed to execute a trade that exceed a certain amount of percentage for the whole day, apart from your daily drawdown, the monetary value. So if you know understand all of those things, you go just say you go think say you are doing well, but when it comes to payout, you withdraw the money now. Make I see, shishi, you know see. But if you get mind, they trade $50,000 account, and you maintain, for instance, you are a gold trader, you maintain your level of that consistency where you don't use the trade before by using lower lot size, not over leverage the account. The risk it will be minimal because if now one phase for instance now the one when I trade which is fundedness, there are one phase when I buy now 1,500 my daily drawdown a day. So how will I be even risking 1,500? So you go see say even if I take trade with 0.1 which is 10, now we no fear. So if we decide to take 10 trade, let's see how far that 10 trade will go. If you be say I don't need losing streak, let's see, I can take 10 trade, follow body. So that one is still easier, better than if you dey trade for 5,000 in the yard though. That 5,000 in the yard though, because the small money you go dey try calculator and you go dey try a lot of things dey where go make you lose them after they don't fund you. You understand?
People will not lose their own that because of the training.
Yes, I know. Come on, you first see the outcome of yesterday's trade, so you know later check the outcome of yesterday's trade. Yeah. Why you the best?
So, I don't really listen to my script. That yesterday on myself, I all day they play myself. So I will just enter that. You see that after that analysis, that cell and the S cell.
Original one. It passed TP. No. Even from bank like this, I only need $3. So I see the watcher.
And you're blaming that boy.
So that boy will not be there back. I could have said,
If it's not your
and this one I shop.
Wow.
So, and I know I get my what do you call it? Excel.
You open. Okay, you open them.
Yes, sir.
Maybe you can set it now.
He put it when I was seeing as I was inside here. They have removed it. Because maybe you see that the thing is approached. If you move
The person are Christian.
I would say my dog.
If he be Christian, so that they go start to the pull faith. Because he go say, Father, you know that I have faith in you. This thing will not blow. Yes.
You only left. See, you have closed up. You closed that property. Closed up.
Hmm? No, I'm not really good. But if we have a very good sensitive direction of gold, we trade it. If we have a very good direction of gold, we follow up for the major term. But for your profit, they don't allow you to trade gold. For years now, I go. Since you know me, I go that I always the trade. But that doesn't mean that during weekend. No, I dey trade BTCUSD during weekend, BTC during weekend. I dey trade JU if I no get opportunity for gold. But if I see opportunity for gold, I know they trade another T that day. For now, I have opportunity of gold since this week starts, so I know they go till I dey run up and down for. The sell na better sell trade though. No be sell. See that is also all down this massive sell where they yesterday with chopper. You go see
I thought this guy.
This one is those
Mm.
ones
For our
Was really one of that one of that they never do.
I am with this.
Why I need this one? There is one I've closed the red. That's one later one. You understand? And I have said where I want to go and I know how much I want to do. I don't make too much of it. If I never make anything, I don't go sit at $3.
Yeah. And depend on the account. It's a bigger account. I mean, is it the one the person paying for you? One person now.
See me doing this thing, $1. So I say, yeah.
But because of because people are sharing it, people want to go take small shop and buy it. Everything from
There's something I know is this still possible?
What's that?
Is it possible for someone or this people that say that in that if your login and give to all these brokers so that they can easily pay you? That was what we explained to us. That's what they will continue.
See.
saying that some brokers put by those.
I understand what she dey talk. So, like, she dey talk am from the angle of whether person fit do am, then the broker go come pay the person. No, why you need to understand. Say no, brokers are regulated entity. Broker on a normal, if any broker where they close your trade or open your trade, if you get evidence, sue them, they will pay you on a normal day. You understand? So that's where they talk. So whether if you based on say the person get your logins, whether the person fit come give your broker the login, your broker will call manipulate, clear the money, then they'll come pay the person. That business I never hear am before. Now today is the first time when I dey hear am. And I no sure say if it happen. You know why they talk am? You know why they talk am say if it no fit happen. Forget about say any broker where they trade where get up to 100,000 clients. Those brokers are making millions of dollars on a daily basis. So for them to use 1,000, 20,000, no go know why it go happen. You understand? So I see no reasons why that kind of thing supposed to happen. Except say now formed paying them as out.
If it's not so what makes somebody wants to be so we still have to
As a broker,
know as somebody as your trainer.
nobody wants to. No. Don't use that word. Based on say that person blow your account yesterday doesn't really mean the person wants to lose your money. No, don't say it like that. Except you no fair ready for the business. Let me tell you something. As a trader, when you are trading, it don't happen to me before. Even you when they talk, it don't still happen to you before. Were you always ready to lose money when you make one mistake that clear your account? So that guy, make I tell you what happen. Why he deleted your stop deleter? The guy was feeling that the analysis that he did, that the analysis is not wrong, that the analysis is supposed to be right. So it was now hoping, that was a hope trade, was now hoping that the trade if he go eat his stop loss, now make it later go away, say now he go lose. Only that thought will make person delete stop loss. And I ain't disciplined.
Close the trade. Close the trade. Close the person. Don't open it again. The person went out. Maybe it's a great thing. Maybe he was using 0.1. He now went and used 0.1 into 4. When account has influence. You now close it again. The CPs are bringing you to open it again. See the money. At least let this one be here. Because you now open it again.
And a personal problem with the person with that person. I know. You know. Sorry.
You see what I
Hello? Good afternoon. I'll be the call you this morning now.
It's a motion.
It pay you. That it don't pull back. It pick anybody because he's pushing up now as he reach there. Oh, remain square, no reach my side. Oh. It will come down, it will come down.
So I remember when I just came here, I thought I got about $200 and then my wrong come back. After I now have trading plan. Investors are trading, I now have to see.
Sometimes the similar, which is also
Me, something that is not
maybe people.
somebody said, oh,
We should just hold on, right?
Yes, no, don't place a trade down.
and I begged him for it. He was not begging me, not as if I'm the one that called him and said, so this thing. He's a student, do you understand? So, I now pay. I want to make sure when the money has finished, next thing and like, you know what I said? I come on.
Hey! Come on. You let us looking for how much yesterday to know that.
No, see, I've had a student here. The guy, now those people where they pursue for Dubai, where call Nigeria. So all those people where we say you meet our farm. No say our farm now scam business, now they do. You know, say they do that, yes, they do that scamming business for
And then they do all this posing.
yes, auto posing. So now you see that those kind of people now, it's a well organization, well arranged business. So now the Chinese people or the people where they do that business they do, and they'll call employ people like them. Then where go they bring in client? You go once you deposit, you can never withdraw. Can never. If the money they go down, your upline will call you say the only thing that you need to do now is to put more money. So that you can be able to, and you will go and put more money. So sometimes for me, I don't sit down and calculate all of those things as part of human greed, and I go cost most of those stuff. Forex na business, greed. Forex na business. So if I say yesterday, wetin I make na 304, at the end of the day, it gets how I take make the money on different accounts, not on one account. Now, today, I never really take trade where give me anything. I fit go out like that. I dey owe you. So if I know say I know they owe you, you no go fit stop me say why I no take the trade as well. I'll just go out like that. So me at the end of the week or at the end of the month, how far I be? We dey chop loss, so I don't see am, but I don't really understand that because you know they clear according to the picture where we set for me. I don't really understand that. Okay. Yeah, hold on. I'm coming, please. Hello? I'm coming. You say? Make I say from okay. It just be like the other ones when I get so now. I don't need that color. I don't need that. Just leave them. I don't need them. What I need now, I say give you now. Hello? Okay, carry this one. Do this one, but you go still get it today. That be the problem. So no say that around 5 and until they come church. You know. Okay, I beg.
I've summoned you this morning. I've summoned you. I summoned you.
What?
You know what? Just sit. Okay, my daughter wants to go. My daughter all admission now. You understand? One, are we not supposed to be like this? Am I not supposed to even help my husband for the first time in my life? I said, I will pay this man. Let me surprise you. That I will pay this case. Since I married my husband, I've never kept the relationship you know what he said? And these people, the first person when I use that to show the future WhatsApp, think I will do. Okay, you take 100 and
You don't pick up now. You don't pick up.
no, you pick up.
Okay.
You put on that.
Me? I don't pick up that. I walk.
That's why you go take now.
Now, for me, I have. Yeah, I walk.
One may reach your
Are you as I do, as my
I used to pay myself.
you know this boy like I was on my own because
Not close. Not close. But you say I was talking from now, I don't I mean,
I said that one is that. That's it. So that you saw that was I changed it. If I change that one, it's not you understand? Even if you don't just then I back knowledge, then I buy property before. Do you understand that kind of thing? So this is like
minimize your loss.
Anybody else? Suppose not trigger me self.
You don't trigger you already.
It trigger just two.
You see trigger, I say you want that. You say you want to that demouse that last or that.
So make it just trigger anyone when you trigger make I know. From there.
that's for you. Not for you. My daughter knows that mission. Like if I give her money to her,
Yes, sir.
No, I'll let you enter now. I'll put my stuff.
Yeah, put this numbers.
But make we not forget, you know what we dey do? What we dey do?
So the main one now to sell it. So we are taking from 50% investment.
Yes.
So but the main
Now sell you enter.
movement na mine.
Yes.
The
Because
movement is sell.
sell, and we want this market. See, this market will sell. We are already on overlapping now, which is another market and another session already on. So we want this market to pull back to this place according to 4 hours time frame to start another major sell distribution. But now, before the market will pull back reach here, because we get a coffee here, we just know say it's supposed to do this coffee normal retracement before it do the buy, which happens to be the pullback of that 4 hours before it one. Just take one.
So it's still going down, right? Because of the God.
Is there
If
anything?
you say you put your own,
See my own. Now only 2 trigger from my own side.
I'm not doing that.
See. No, say me, I know they put all my pending orders. I know they put all my pending orders for one price now. That is why I always and the line are more. You know what to from the side. How many penny now?
Okay, this one. Okay.
Because but not trigger all of them, you only trigger one.
We'll see you guys.
You put stop loss.
How many minutes?
Who stop loss now? Eh?
How many minutes?
Very good at this one.
Hello?
Now you not gonna make a one deal. Me, I dey make a one deal.
Yes.
Yes. You no go far except you don't know what you dey do. Me, I go make a one. If I reach 10,000 cents now, $100 now.
And we make am now.
But if you are not sure say you go fit make am, you dey fear too much.
Ah, the fifty.
You wey be say you fit use one standard lot now enter this trade on your 1,000 cents. Yeah, they tell you. I talk am for your back. You dey fear. You wey be say yesterday wetin happen?
No. I was upset. Not because he lost the money. Should I have been
On what? I don't understand.
This one that trigger.
Yes.
22 plus 22.
If I'm now only one trigger now, another one no done. Now me now only two out of about 6 trading plays. Now only two
Okay,
trigger.
you're looking at it that it's going up now.
If it go like that, now if you want go make it go now.
Another one to see that.
Are you sure that they are not sharing before? If you have sense and the money does not work, and you suppose you are not a learner, you are not a beginner. Yeah. Now you are still
The only person who go understand the analysis that we do today now you. Did you understand all of this analysis? In detail, you understand that, man? In details, Abby. Mama, you understand that?
I know that.
You know, because you said you joined us before on Telegram before you reach here now.
Well, I was in the back, so
Okay.
he was making
Nice.
and I thought already for them that things yeah.
Okay, now see why at the ask whether we understand. You know, say if this market was sell, you want to continue the sell now, prove it to me that doesn't go continue that pullback when we talk about. There should be a structure where we say if it violates, definitely that means you want to continue the sell. And then this particular support for 30 minutes. This one not trigger. Zero. Down Brumba. Not trigger creature for almost all of your trades suppose not trigger now. Okay, the one anyone where trigger put stop loss.
Okay. Yes.
This is $40. Let me put my stop loss. 5.
Stop loss like the dot. Anywhere you put stop loss, like
Okay, it's not good. So maybe it's accepted.
Now, sure, say that news never happened.
Yes,
Oh, you know, say news be and I'm here to check out.
yes, you know everything is going on now.
Okay, sir, you can ask your question. I'll hear you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Sorry, I came in a bit late.
Okay.
I came in a bit late. Please, I just want to find out on 30 minutes when I try to draw the on 30 minutes time frame. I try to draw trend. This candle I just finished. This red candle looks like a retracement back to the trend, like it's coming back to retest. So that was where I was confused. That is market just pulling back to retest and continue up, or on the 4 hours. It looks like 4 hours candle just finished retracement.
No, the 4 hours
And it's
candle,
coming back down.
the 4
So
hours.
that's where I got it from.
Sir, listen, don't make mistake. The 4 hours time frame has not finished its retracement. No, don't say that. Oh, very bad. That 4 hours candle never finish retracement. Then on 30 minutes, that's when they talk. So now it be this. So when you see say the 30 minutes time frame, it don't break out from this particular trend line, then it cause sell come back and tell the same trend. Now they continue the buy. Now you see the buy where we did. Now here now we dey buy am too. Now here we dey target. And here, can you hear me? Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can hear you, Coach.
Okay. So this place where we dey target for the buy is just a point where we want for start to dey sell the market. And that place now be the structure for the 4 hours. So if you say that the 4 hours time frame has done its pullback, that means you don't know. This is a structure where we are expecting the 4 hours time frame to pull back to. This 4 hours chart now. So we are currently anticipating the 4 hours to pull back here, then continue the sell. So we only dey do buy towards that 4 hour structure where we are expecting the pullback to get to.
Okay, I understand now because I got a bit confused with the 30 minutes and the 4 hours. The 30 minutes is doing pullback to the structure. 4 hours is doing pullback. Okay, thank you very much, Coach. It's clear now. Hello, sir.
I can hear you. I say all right. Thank you, sir.
Hello.
I can hear you.
It's clear to me now.
All right.
So 30 minutes is doing its own pullback. 4 hours is yet to complete its pullback. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much, Coach.